Gotta be kidding me. Great. My car just broke down, guys. Oh, wait. What's that? Yo. Like a little village place. Locals in the area also told me that there's like creatures that live around here. Yo. Whose base is this? Hello? Yo, what is this? Yo. What? Why do I get this? Why do I get this? Just fucking close. I wonder if you're here for any other resources, you have to travel south about 8 miles from here. Then you'll have to stay a night here to enjoy your stay. Signed unknown. 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 Hold on, I'll fix the book for him. Unknown. So I guess all of this is just for me. It says, yep. Yo. What is all of this? Yo. Hello? Guys. Uh, I have to travel south, I guess. I don't know what's out there, so yeah. Honestly, guys, I'm definitely gonna try to make this. Where is it? I'm gonna try to make this. I'll meet y'all when I get there, okay, guys? Oh, I made it. What is this place? Freddy. Let's say Fazbear Pizzeria. Better hurry up, it's been night. There's zombies somewhere, so yeah, I'm gonna just get in the building. Fazbear Pizza Place. Oh. What is this place? Is this the break room or something? And yes, I lost my pickaxe on the way here, so that's why I don't have it. Yo! Wait a minute. That me? Yo, when did they turn me into an animatronic, bro? Yo, free my boy. He didn't deserve this, bro. Yo, why y'all looking like this? Why is this one the most repaired? Ooh, it's in here. Is this the kitchen? Oh. Yo. Oh, don't leave that side. Never mind. I'm gonna go out there. There's probably rats out there. Okay, yeah, so this must be where they made all the pizzas and stuff. Can't trust nothing here. So sketchy. What's this? I don't know. I guess this is leading to the back. Yeah. So, yo. What's this? What they're calling events? Yo. I'm scared. What is this? It's quiet up in here. A little too quiet. Yo, it feels off in these vents. Oh no. I'm gonna just go back into the office. Just, yeah, wait. Something's going on up there. Just go to me. Okay. I'm waiting here for a little bit. Just hear or see anything. So yeah, I'll be back, guys. What was that? Hello? Hello? Who's in here with me? What is that? Hello? Hello? What is that? My bullets are going through it. Yo. You have to come over here. What is that? What is that? What is that? Get off, get off, let's go. Yo. Wait, you're chasing me in the vents. Go. What is that? Get it. Where'd it go? What was that? What? What is in these vents? Where is it? I know you see me. Come on. I'm out of bullets, I'm out of bullets, I'm out of bullets. I just have to punch it. Yo, I'm out of here. He's chasing me down the vents. Chasing me down the vents. He's chasing me down the vents. He's chasing me. I need to run. God, surely I have more ammo somewhere. What was that? Shut the door. What was that, guys? It was like Freddy Fazbear, but it was like entered. Where'd he go? Oh no, I'm gonna look up here for ammunition real quick. It's back. Come here. Come on. Yo! What is that? Yo. Shattered soul. Need present. Oh, let's see what this present is. Oh, party fat. Take patch into hope 3 torso. I just have to break through this. What's this? It's a cutie. I got a taser now? Yo. I think I have to use these Shatter Souls or something. Party hat. Can't even put the party hat on. Wait. My little pig. No, my piggy. Got a pig now. Boink. Anyway, that's the only thing I've heard from that. Whatever is out here, I need to kill. Here. Yeah, I need to kill something out here. Who's here? Yeah. Who's that? Hello? I think they're very bored. What? Oh. What even is that? Oh, what was that? New sci-fi. Righty. Oh, I think I might need more bullets. Is there anything else in defense of me? It's uneasy because there's no music in the background because I turned it off. Whoever constructed this place sucks, bro. I don't know if anything's out there still. I'm gonna just keep the doors closed because I am not risking my life going back out there. But yeah. Piggy. Guys, I heard something. Hello? Here. Hello? I don't trust it. I don't trust it. I don't trust the bear, bro. I I killed it. Present. I got a dead bear. And another security taser. Wait, what? What's a fuse for? Emotional injury. Wait, wait. Huh. Now I'm thinking about it. Wasn't that black bear up there? Wait, so how did it get down here if it was up there? What? Isn't isn't the black bear up here? Uh yeah. Are the others alive too? I gotta hurry up and get out of here. I think I can use these the haunted metal for to melt them down. I guess I'm staying out here until morning. Hello? Who is down here? What is that? Yo, what is that? Yo, I'm getting out of here. Anyway, I I'm getting out of here. Screw this. I'm out of here. I don't know what else can be down here, but I'm out of here. I need food and everything, and I'm out of here. I'm out of here. I'm out of here. Yes, stay time. I'm going back. I'm done with this.